In this video, I will show you how can you fix Brawl Star lag or is lagging. So basically this happened, one, because of your internet connection. So you will need to make sure that you have a strong internet, and two, this is happen because of your caches. If you are open a lot of apps in the backend, as you can see right now, you will get basically a lag when you are playing. So if you are a lot of cages, let's say, you will need to clean your phone. Just go on your cleaner, clean your phone, and you are good to go. Well, this was help me, and this is the tutorial, guys. I hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.